Oh yeah, as you know, we try and recreate on our little lo-fi setup classics from back in the day, synth-wise. Going to have a little go at Europe Final Countdown today. Track originally played on a Korg Poly 6, which they hated initially. I believe the version we got in the end was on a Yamaha and Roland mixed for that brassy synthy sound. So we're going to have a go on the old KN7000 with a analog brass and synth mix, and we'll see what it sounds like. Cheers.